Okay, real quick. This one's trending hard, and I totally get why. It's rare that something this affordable feels this premium. You can really tell they paid attention to the details. No wonder everyone's obsessed with it. Seriously, go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Hold up! You gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. I've tried a bunch of products like this before, but this one hits different. It's efficient, simple, and feels next level compared to others. Don't wait too long. It's getting tons of attention and might run out soon. Links below. Stop scrolling! You won't believe how good this is. It's been trending for weeks, and the reviews are insane. People love how easy it is to use, how good it feels, and how reliable it's been. I didn't expect it to work this well, but honestly, it's solid. Click the link in the description before it's gone. You'll thank me later. Hold on! This one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. It's rare that something this affordable feels this premium. You can really tell they paid attention to the details. No wonder